Yo, it's your boy Jay, and welcome back to the vlog.
Start flexing like you got it. Start flexing like you got it. We all know us.
Yo, what's good? It's your boy YvngJay Entertainment or TV, whatever you want to call me. Why did I just say my old intro? But yeah, it's your boy, you dig. Yeah, we about to vlog it up. Freaking doing whatever, you know. I'm in the car right now. Hopefully y'all knew that if y'all smart. Yeah, but yeah, hopefully y'all smart. So we about to freaking go pick up KP. We just about to do what it do. We gonna go by Best Buy. I gotta freaking upgrade, you know. I gotta freaking help y'all out, you know, help the channel out. So I gotta go Best Buy, see if they have it. And then after that, I don't know what we're gonna do, so yeah, like we just gonna see how the day rolls out. Hopefully y'all enjoy this video. Like, comment, subscribe if y'all want more. Hey, shout out to all y'all boys. Y'all freaking like, bruh. Like we gained like one day we gained like 15 subscribers in one day, like, and the next day we gained 11. Like I fucks with y'all heavy. Fucks with y'all heavy, like y'all don't know how much that mean to me. But like we on the way to freaking 500. Today is actually December the 31st. So actually midnight is freaking the new year. So we probably got to do something special. We probably gonna get some fireworks, knowing me and KP. So yeah, let's get right to the vlog. Let's get it. Oh, let me turn it off. No copyright. Copyright, you know how YouTube be, y'all know how y'all be. But you know, let me turn that off because no copyright over here. You know, we just living life lavishly. You feel me? Living life lavishly. Oh baby, who there go?
It's King Punani, man.
King.
Back in action and shit. I would have my glasses.
Hey, it's family channel though.
Oh yeah, back in action and shit. I would have my glasses, but I lost them.
Oh man, that's crazy.
But nah, what my highlights at when we clapping this shit on the bench? You got that?
They don't supposed to know that.
They can know. we family out here. Just let y'all know I don't play. I'm an excellent basketball player. I'm just terrible in games.
That's tough. But you know, I was just about to talk about that too. Let me get in the light. But yeah, if y'all saw the last video, I just uploaded, like before I left, I uploaded my highlights. Some of the highlights of the season that we have.
Still be wet as shit. Wet as fuck. Might be the skinniest point guard you ever see in life. But that nigga got a wet ball. Why do I know? Because I sit and watch him all game. Every game. Every game.
Fucking bleed that out. Let's try that again. A freaking water soaker, you feel me? I got that water soaking.
Like whenever he got that shot. Like whenever I walk into your house and your mom home, that's how wet his shot is. That's how wet your mom get when she see me.
You did. That's tough.
Boring.
But tell Solo Minati to play me one-on-one if y'all freaking want to see that.
No, it's not a good idea.
Not a good idea? He'll dunk on me. Alright, let's downgrade. Tell Cash Nasty to freaking play me one-on-one. I'll splash him.
It's not a good idea.
Not a good idea? No. He too big?
Nah, you play like me. I'm better.
Alright, so let me try that again. Tell DDG to play me one-on-one. If y'all want to see that, smash that like button.
Play him for Kennedy.
Oh, play. I'm gonna play him for Kennedy. Bruh, send him this clip. I'm gonna play you for Kennedy, DDG. And I want that ASAP. ASAP. That's on Mothers. That's on Mothers, bro.
ASAP on some Rocky shit.
That's on Mothers. So we gonna get on the rest of our day. Hopefully y'all enjoy the vlog. I already said that in the last clip. But yeah, we gonna get right to it.
My name Bodak Orange.
What the? What?
Yeah.
Okay.
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 Hello, hello again. Life could be a dream if I could take you up in paradise.
just... I need help. I need help.
We're gonna put,
oh, look at these NASDAQ cameras. I don't need these. Mine's better. But yeah, back to the mics. Where are the mics? I need help. I need help. Let's actually... Oh, G7X. Do you know where the road mics are?
yes. Have them over here.
You getting me tight, dude. You getting me tight. You better find him. You better find him.
Yeah, this is pretty much it.
All right, thank you.
No problem.
What the fuck are these, bro? Bruh, that bit look like a pill, bro. What is that? Bruh, I got this though. If you, bruh, y'all been subscribing for a long time. Y'all know about that. Y'all know about that. Ooh. If y'all been loyal to this freaking game, y'all know about that. Dang, bro. They said they had them online. I'm highly upset. What the fuck? Oh, it's Family Channel, my fault. Bruh, what the... Where the games at? Oh, it's over here, bro. They gotta be tight, bro. KP, they didn't have it. Unless dude just freaking don't know where it is. Just taking me across the map.
Now where we gonna go?
We gotta go to that man, that guy auntie, the guy who's directing me around. We gotta go to his house now.
Fuck his mom?
Nah, worse. His auntie.
What the fuck is wrong?
We just gonna do both.
All three.
Might as well. He took me on a journey to find nothing. Bro, bro, I know I'm not tripping, bro. I looked it up online and everything.
This here was here?
Yes, bro. What the? Bro.
This guy, that guy. What?
What are you doing, bro?
Oh, what? This for my little sister. This not for me. No. I got two sisters.
Yesterday you said you had no sisters. What are you doing?
Listen to me.
The second time.
What's wrong like you? Hey, yo, man. It's YvngJay TV, you feel? Yeah.
Now this the third time. What the fuck? Oh, what the bleep? Yeah. Now let's try to find this mic, bro. Nobody freaking over here trying to help us. So we gonna have to freak. Taking us to the promised land. Taking us to the promised land. Yeah. Oh, good. Wait, this is the last one?
No, there's two.
Oh, snap. Where you found them?
That was my name.
Good looks. Good looks. Oh, we was right here though.
Yeah, so
That, bruh, he
don't even work here.
He don't even work here. That's the crazy.
They didn't get that man a job.
Give that dude a jersey, bruh. He's the GOAT, bruh. What you call a real MVP right there? Yes, bro. We need a GoPro. What's coming soon? Hey, get us to 1,000. Get us to 1,000 subscribers, and we'll get that.
That bitch say $300.
Yeah.
That bitch say $300. 300.
Yeah.
300.
What's wrong with that? Let's check out.
$5 energy got cocaine in it.
Can I ask if you want to apply for the Best Buy credit card? Use your receipt right for me, please. And then hit no thank you. $63.89 whenever you're ready. Having fun?
Good thing Christmas came.
I feel you.
Hurry up.
And then the same thing with that one. Just hit cancel and ask for it and tell me what.
Bruh, we about to see how they bitch sound. So we gonna open that belt, you know. We gon'
Should just ask for a GoPro for Christmas. You just suck at opening this shit. Give it to dark skin.
No, I got it. I got it. KP, you tempted me, bro.
What's wrong with you?
Don't do that. Don't do that.
Don't do that, bro.
Yeah, serious note, we about to put this on the freaking, we about to put this on here right now. So hopefully, let's see how it sound in 3, 2, 1. Hey, how that bitch sound, y'all boys? We just got it putting it on. You did. We didn't adjust any adjustments, you know. So that bitch just manual. We gonna put these packages in the back. You did, and let's ride. Is that Jillian? Oh, Jillian. Hi, Jillian.
Oh.
Would you like your receipt? No, have a good one. Happy New Year. It's not. Now they're gonna know where I work. Now I got random people DM me talking about something, so I saw you on my dog Justin thing.
Yeah, clout.
No.
You don't want clout?
No.
She don't, bruh, she don't mess with y'all, bruh. You see how she treat y'all, bruh?
I know I love y'all, but like,
what?
I don't need y'all coming to my workplace.
Bruh, they don't even know which mall this is.
You're right.
You agreeing for that one? You agreeing for that
so,
one?
y'all want anything?
For like the free?
No, not for the free.
Oh, thanks.
I hate y'all.
So when you get off?
I'm gonna be off at like a little after 6. You guys gonna be here?
No.
Then why did you ask?
Wait.
We just asked.
I want a pretzel, but like.
It's 320, 372 for the actual pretzel.
You mess with the upgrade? You like the upgrade?
The little loofah thing?
The what?
Oh, it's a microphone? Is that a microphone?
And that's a pretzel on your head.
Not bad. Stop zooming in.
Hey, wave to all the boys that freaking DM'd you.
Bruh, I told you I'm coming, bruh. I told you, bruh. Don't rush me, bruh. I tell you I won't come with the stack. When I get there, you gonna be impressed, alright?
Hey, KP.
Bro, I told you stop yelling, bro. Stop this.
Say you want to taste the grip? Hold on. Taste it.
Hey, KP.
It's that pure cold.
The gun. Hey, what you said? The gun goes skida. Pa 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 pa. Skida. Who's on that backwood?
Hey, my dish is like that. What was it that you got? The porn? No, I have the fucking monkey. No, what kind of porn did you get? Oh,
Big
Dutch.
Brit.
Dutch. But it was a mint
Big
Dutch.
Brit.
Mint Dutch. Yeah.
Hey, what you sniffing?
Sweet.
The Big Brit.
Big grit, like that flavor.
Nah, what you, AKP, what you sniffing? That American Eagle.
326 is your change. Y'all have fun.
Oh, man.
Have a good night.
It's over. It's over. It's a wrap. It's a wrap.
Let me see the camera. Flip the little thing, bro.
It's a wrap, y'all boys.
Let me see that bit right quick.
It's a wrap.
First of all, Jit was capping. Jit was not on no gas, bitch. Jit was on cracking cocaine, bitch. He ain't had no front teeth, bitch. Cross the road. He ain't had no front teeth talking about, I was on some gas. Jit, his eyes white as fuck. Jit was on zone, bitch.
Shit on that. Where's the blow?
I dropped something. I felt it drop. I was like, fuck. I gotta go back.
We high-key doing drive-bys on the foot.
Yeah, but I'm tired now.
Yeah.
Fuck.
Next time, I'm just gonna stand there.
Fuck the fat nigga.
Bro, put that bit in there. Light that bell. Hey, close that bit. Close that bit. Close that bit.
In the back.
It's about to go.
No. You missing the point. I'm not coming out there for food. I'm saying, if I'm not going there, I'm not coming at all. It's a lot. That's a lot of gas, bro.
I got it. Yeah, I understand. I got you.
Yeah. So like, so what are we doing? Are we not getting not? Because I feel like we're wasting time.
Yeah.
That's not answering my question. You said yeah. I need a direct answer. Y'all sound like some little kids. KB, why?
I feel like they playing with us, bro.
I don't give a fuck what they doing. I don't even know these females, but it sound like wasting time.
Y'all playing y'all dead serious, like it's a lot of gas.
Huh?
Y'all playing y'all dead serious.
If I drive out there for no reason, like on some shit, I might go cross that shit, bro.
It's a lot of gas, bro.
Just like that, bruh. Just like that. Just that you boom, boom, bang, bang. Wait, let me get that light.
Go say like 10 minutes away.
Oh yeah, let me get that light. But yeah, freaking. I don't know what we doing. I don't know what we doing next, bruh. They talking dumb loud, but I don't know what we doing next. So we might as well end the vlog. Like I'm gonna just end it here, just in case I don't record later. Let's get it. And if I don't record later, that means I got some. I see y'all boys. Let's get it.
Hey, yeah. Took your girl, why you asking? I've been robbing like basket. Ay, you get wiped like a napkin. Met this girl named Jasmine, and she said he like that action.